Hey guys, just wanted to share my experience with MagicMind. Heard about it on a podcast. It was Brandon Schaub that mentioned it, and I thought I gave it a try. As soon as I heard him rant and rave about it, I picked up my phone. I ordered it. I was driving through a car wash. I ordered it. It was very easy to order, very simple, very user friendly. It was great. I got the product. Tried it out the first day. I said, let me give this a whirl. I'm not going to have my morning coffee. Let me try my MagicMind. And woo! um, Blew my mind. I'm 42 years old, been drinking coffee since I was 16. I have 5 kids. I run a real estate team and a lending team. I am very busy. My focus is paramount. It needs to be on top. And I would drink coffee all day long to stay there. With MagicMind, I'm good to go throughout the day. It's 2:47. I've been up since about 6. Had my MagicMind. No coffee yet. Feel great. I got focus. No energy crashing, and it's just awesome. So I highly recommend using MagicMind. It's great. I guarantee you will not disappoint, and you will not be disappointed. And also, don't forget, try the MagicMind latte. Steam some oat milk, MagicMind, mix it together. Wow, it's my favorite, my ultimate go-to. Hope you enjoy your MagicMind.